Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today we are going to talk about Cascarilla, or Ritual Eggshell Powder, which is in the shop and it comes in the compressed form like this. You can also find it loose sometimes, or you can always make your own Ritual Eggshell Powder by saving your eggshells and pulverizing them in a mortar and pestle for the same purpose. And you do that with intention to put your intentions into it as you are creating the powder. So Cascarilla is good for protection and blessings and to bring peace. And it is used in several different paths, most of them being the Afro-Caribbean paths. But there are other paths that also use ritual eggshell powder. So Cascarilla is often used as a personal blessing, and as you can see, if you put your finger on it, it is white. So you can use this to bless yourself or bless other people, and oftentimes it is put on the third eye, the crown chakra, and down some of the other chakras, also often on the back of the neck and the palms and the soles of your feet as a protection or as a blessing to keep negative things out. You can also add it to your floor wash, like you add the Anil blue and the Florida water to your floor wash. You can add a little bit of Cascarilla to your floor wash. You can also add it to the rug deodorizer that I create and sell in the shop. I'm actually considering putting it as a permanent ingredient in that product very soon. So if you like that idea, so that you can sprinkle it on your floors and then vacuum it up to cleanse and clear the area, let me know and I will consider adding that to that mix already. Other ways that you can use it is to add it to your ritual baths. It's a common ingredient in the cleansing and clearing baths and also in the white bath to bring pureness and blessings and peace back to you. Always remember that you need to be in the proper state of mind and also in the proper state of purity if your religion or path calls for that. And there are lots of different rules and guidelines that you need to stick to depending on which path you follow. So always listen to what your godmother or your godfather tells you for what you need to do these rituals and these purifications correctly for you. You can carry Cascarilla powder on you for protection, perhaps a little vial or a glass vial instead of putting a little bit into a pouch, but you can carry it on your person for protection as well. When you are doing house blessings and house clearings, you can blow, scrape a little bit off and blow a tiny little bit into each room to protect and brighten and bring peace and happiness to each room. You could also put it in the four corners of the house, like black salt, or all the way around the house, like black salt. Some people will use it to create a ritual space for them to do work, like they might use either black salt or a ritual sea salt. I have often seen scrapings of it or turning it into powder and then sprinkling it around something on your altar, like a picture or a representation of yourself, your family, or someone else that you are trying to keep protected and in peace right now, and to send them blessings. You can sprinkle a circle of that around, perhaps with a candle, and that doing everything with intention, of course. If that is your intention, I have seen it used for that purpose as well. You can also use the Cascarilla for drawing protection symbols on the floor in the main part of your home, and then empowering those protection symbols by lighting a candle, by filling them with your intention, and all of those sorts of things. That are put at the crossroads and that are done during Afro-Caribbean religion rituals are also made out of Efun or Cascarilla. Remember to refer to your godmother or godfather for information regarding that. If you're looking for a great book on traditional African religions, I would definitely check out Lilith Dorsey. Her new book is on voodoo and traditional African religions, and the old name of the book, look it up real quick, was Voodoo and Afro-Caribbean Paganism. One of her other new books is Orishas, Goddesses, and Voodoo Queens. So you can see Lilith's name and how to spell it. But she definitely has a lot of great information out there about the path and about how to go about finding a house to properly follow any of the traditional African paths. I hope that helped you a little bit to learn about different ways that you can use Cascarilla or Ritual Eggshell Powder for protection. There are many other videos on the channel about how to use Anil blue and sulfur powder and also black salt and other guided meditations and things like that to help you out along your path back to balance. Many blessings, tribe, and I will see you real soon.